Welcome back to the channel, guys. Good morning. Today is 27th of May and I'm traveling towards Coorg. Earlier सोचा था कि ऊटी जाएंगे, but the thing is वहाँ पे बहुत बारिश हो रहा है, so थोड़ा dropping that plan because it's been like raining like cats and dog in Ooty since 2 days. So सोचा कि instead of going to Ooty, better why not go to the Coorg. I left my place around 5:15 in the morning and right now just crossed Yeshwantpur. So far so good. Weather is good. Oh, I hope it will rain in some time. Like it's pretty cloudy today. Coorg में भी बारिश है, but it's manageable. It's not that a heavy rain. It's like a starting of the rainy season. I have two options. Either should go towards Hassan Road or maybe take a turn at for Mysore Road. But सोच रहा हूँ why not go for Mysore Road. So guys, if you like the audio quality of this microphone, do let me know. So thought of going towards Mysore because Hassan Road already काफ़ी बार मैं travel कर चुका हूँ.
Across the sea, somewhere far away, and just be free. A place times don't go, we can call it our paradise. Just you and I, now wouldn't that be nice? Oh, it's our paradise, staying up all night. Just you and I, under the moonlight, our feet in the sand. Up and do it again. We got this bottle of champagne to ourselves. Drink all we want, forget about everything else. And I want to remember this moment for life.
So I have reached Coorg and I'm just 25 kilometers away from Zostel. I estimated like I'll reach there by 11 o'clock, but it's like already 11:30. So slightly late.
Just sent from up above. You know you make my world light up. When I was down, when I was hurt, you came to lift me up. Life is a drink and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be my user. When I was a river, tried up, it came to rain and flood. I'm feeling drunk and high, so high, so high.
So many butterflies here. So many butterflies, like they are hitting on my helmet. Oh, getting into my jacket. पूरा visor पे hit कर रही है. It's pretty difficult while riding. I might have to stop and clean my visor. पूरा गंदा हो गया है.
Angel sent from up above. I feel it coursing through my blood. Life is a dream. Your love's about to make the stars come out.
So after reaching Zostel, I was like, it might rain in some time, so thought of staying back. But later on, I thought, okay, why not explore some places. Met one person from Bangalore who is also staying in Zostel, and we both decided to go to elephant camp. So we decided to drop our plan to go to that elephant camp because एक तो बहुत crowded है, ऊपर से we have to park our vehicle and walk for like almost 1.5 kilometers, and we are really not in a mood to walk for that long. So right now we are going towards a dam, reservoir dam, Chiklihole.
Drink from me, drink from me. Pour on a symphony.
Low, 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 low. I'm feeling drunk and high. So high, so high. I'm feeling drunk and high. So high, so high.
And in the end, guys, I would say thanks for joining me today. See you next time.